What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video. How do you guys like my new tabletop? It's just so cute. You guys, I got this tape from Dollar Tree for $1.25 or whatever. Anyways, you guys, so for 19 and 20 we are here on another joint video, just because I felt like this was my last opportunity to do a double unboxing and get away with it. So because obviously 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 are gonna be on point, I'm really gonna be on point. What do you guys think of my candy canes? I still haven't finished my nails. I've been working on my 3D nail art. And looky. Okay, you guys, that's all I get to show you. I'm not showing you anything else. I wasn't supposed to do that, but I did. All right, so here we are with our Madam Glam Advent Calendar 2022 limited edition. I'm not sure if it's still available on the website, but if it is, I definitely suggest to get it, especially for the discounted price, because honey poo, it is well worth it. All right, so we're gonna open yesterday's 19 and today's 20, and I'm really excited, you guys. I'm actually like, I told you guys I have really bad separation anxiety, so you know, I started to get separation anxiety from this box, and I just decided to just do like 19 and 20 together. That's the truth. Okay, let's see, how am I gonna open this? How do I, hold on, you guys. Oh, it doesn't want to open. Okay, here we go. Oh my, we got another pudding gel. You guys, I'm late. Y'all probably already saw. Iron gray. I have to open this. I don't have all my lights on. I was wondering why it looks so dark. Hold on, you guys. I'm going to turn on all my lights. I was like, it doesn't look as bright as usual. And it's because I didn't have all my lights on. Okay, I have got to see this. Okay, guys, we gotta open this. It's as beautiful as I thought. Okay, I'm closing it. I cannot. I don't know what it is about the pudding gels. I don't know if it's the texture or the colors, but they always get me so worked up. I'm literally like so worked up. Okay, so that was 19. I am excited about that, but oh, I'm so sad. Okay, now we got number 20. All right, so here's today's number 20 or whatever. Okay, I already saw it. It's a mini. I'm scared to see what color it is. What color is it, you guys? Tell me. I know you guys know. I'm not looking yet. I'm gonna look as soon as I get it out. Okay. Oh, it's just a little Holiday Inn. It's brown. It is cute. You guys, I forgot to put on cuticle oil. I know I'm looking ashy, crusty, and dusty. See, so I was gonna say that it's probably like a red color, but this is like a chestnut color. This is pretty, honestly. I've noticed that with the minis, they're like very neutral tones. That's why I was so excited about that purple. Madam Glam really knows how to put a gray undertone to their purples, and it just, I don't know how they get away with it, but it turns out looking so good. But anyways, I am going to be completing my nails very soon, and tomorrow we're doing number 21. We're doing the rest of the days as is. We're not skipping or anything like that or whatever. So I'm going to be uploading them early. I have low-key just been enjoying the last few days of the year. I tend to be a massive workaholic, but I have like kind of felt a little guilty because I'm like, Samantha, this is the end of the year. This is the last of this year. You can work all you want, or you can just relax a little and take it all in. So I am, but you guys, I'm already ready for next year. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to show up and show out for 2023. I'm so happy 2022 is over. I feel like it went way better than I could have ever imagined. And I love this new tabletop. It's looking cute or whatever. How do you guys like it? I felt like I needed something more vibrant. I haven't been using my backgrounds lately, but I am going to bust them out because I low-key miss them. And this was just like, I figured it would be cute if I have a background up here and then this is behind it. So drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I'm going to be updating you guys. I always say that, but I've been stuck with these nails for days. And I've been having to wash dishes with them, clean with them, cook with them, everything with them, which is not a problem, but it was not my plan. I'm going to show you guys. Look, you see all of that stuff right there? All of those colors are incorporated on this set and in the nail art that I created for this set. So actually, I can show you guys. I know I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I love you guys, so I always break the rules for you guys. Okay, so I got, hold on. Alright, so I have these. This I'm not done with yet, so I'm not going to show you guys that. But I have these, which are lights. This one broke. I'm going to fix it. It's not that big of a deal. But these are strings of lights, so we got some of those. And then I got my 3D nail art. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see. Alright, so we got our snowmen, which I haven't finished all of them. Those ones are cute though. And we got our reindeers, our Rudolphs. And then we got our gingerbread menses. And we got our bell. We got our candy canes. Them boys looking good, sissy. And then, okay, I'm going to show you guys these. We have our star. And we have our big giant snowman. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I gotta clean that up. But anyways, don't worry about that. And then we have our huge gingerbread man, which I'm so excited. So yeah, I tried to create like some smaller, some bigger. And I did not film the creation of everything because I don't know if you guys really like stuff like that, but if you do, you can let me know, and I would love to film some videos for you guys. I'm going to be doing a lot of that on my channel. You guys, the struggle. Hold on. The struggle. I want to show you guys. This is really actually frosty. I don't know if you can tell, but it is frosty. I dipped them in acrylic powder so they would have a frosty look, but I didn't do that with the big one. The big one I used cat's eye magnetic gel. It looks so cute. I love all my big old nail art. I am obsessed with creating stuff like this. I think next year I'm gonna be selling stuff like this on my my website, my blog site. And this is going to be something. If anybody can guess what this is, then I will cash app you, literally. I promise. Like, no cap. What do you think it's going to be? It's going to be super cute. I'm excited about it. But I still have to paint that one. And this one, I got to paint that one. And then I did make some of these for like peppermints, but I just haven't painted them yet, and I'm not sure that I'm gonna paint them. I think I might, but I also don't know if I even need to, but I kind of really want to, so I probably will. Those are gonna be peppermints. There's gonna be a heart-shaped peppermint, and then those ones. So I think I have more than enough stuff to basically fill these nails up, and I still have to do like my paint on those ones and top coat and everything. And I was gonna originally do like an outline here and then make it look like a peppermint. What do you guys think? I also thought about just like top coating it and then putting like decorating it with like maybe gingerbread, like painting gingerbread and painting snowmen, painting peppermint sticks, but I don't know. I don't think I need to do that. Do not even look at my cuticles. They are so dry. Today I was like, girl, you got the driest cuticles ever. But it's okay. It's something I kind of like about it. It just feels so grungy. All right, well, anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you in the next one. I'll holla y'all. Peace.